I hate to bring back the specter of OJ, but if one has the historical perspective of understanding that, they relied so heavily on the DNA evidence, and when Mark Fuhrman exploded in the manner in which the DNA was collected, the prosecution had a difficult time trying to get around all the other massive circumstantial evidence that proved their case. And what concerns me here, Vinnie, is that you're right. There were legal proceedings with regard to the use of this particular and peculiar kind of testing. I say peculiar, had never been used before in New Jersey and passed the standard that's allowed for admissible evidence because there weren't enough samples and quality of samples. So they won the opportunity, the prosecutors, to introduce it. My question is a rhetorical one. With all the other evidence, do I want to admit something that down the road a Supreme Court or appellate division could reverse because maybe it wasn't scientifically reliable? Last point. The defense can claim all they want that Canero brother, I forget his name, that he wasn't tested. That's not relevant here. It's the victim's blood and DNA that's on the pants in the defendant's house. That has nothing to do with his brother.
Bob, does this turn into a battle of the experts? You think the defense is going to bring someone in and say, hey, you can't trust this science?
Yeah, Vinny, exactly. You're right on it. I mean, the court's ruling was, we're going to allow it to be admitted, but that does not mean the defense cannot vigorously attack the science, the uniqueness of this, the fact that the New Jersey State Police Lab itself could not do this kind of testing, and that they had to go to an outside place with a novel in New Jersey theory and computer scientists in order to come up with the conclusion here. And that's why I talk about the OJ factor. Will the prosecutors unwittingly be dragging the case into a battle of the experts and create doubt in that one juror mind? And that's why I'm wondering, with all the other evidence, is this DNA really worth it? And sometimes as a prosecutor, just because you can doesn't mean you should.
Yeah. All right, Bob Bianchi, Lauren Vellucci. I feel like instead of talking about true crime, the three of us should be having a bowl of pasta or something. But
I agree.
Exactly, right? It's amazing. All right, but thanks so much. Appreciate your time. We'll see you again real soon.